Hi, my name is Watek is back with another video. So today I'm gonna talk about a simple thing, right? So this video I recorded it yesterday actually. I made this, no, not this video. This video I'm recording today, but I recorded this video yesterday, and the thing is the camera didn't focus, right? So for the whole time I was using manual focus and the thing didn't focus. I didn't see while I was recording, and then straight when I'm editing the thing, out of focus almost the whole thing. So I'm starting afresh. Welcome back to it, to this channel, this struggle channel. Okay, so we're gonna start try to make things more consistent. Okay, so what I want to talk about, okay, I'm shouting. Okay, let's relax. Okay, so what I want to talk about is this thing of learning, right? When you're doing videos, making videos for YouTube and maybe for your Instagram or whatever, learning the techniques to do those videos, learning the stuff that you need to do in order to make videos, right? There is this loop that you get into when you make videos, when you're starting to make videos, right? So you make your first few videos, you don't really even care about the quality and whatever, but you start getting to know and see other creators, and you see, damn, okay, these guys are doing it this way, let me look up new techniques to record and make stuff, right? Then in your looking up this new stuff, maybe from channels that teach how to actually make videos, you start going on this loop of forever learning. Then the amount of videos that you actually put out decreases drastically. All the time you're learning new things, but you're not making anything in return, right? So here's what I've come up with, what I think will help you, and I think I'm bringing myself as well. This thing of learning just in time, right? So if you have a video to make, maybe you have a creative idea that has come to your mind, but you're not sure how to do a certain trick or a certain effect in a video, you go to YouTube, then you search that how to do that trick or whatever that you want to do. You learn how to do that thing, that specific thing, then you apply it to your video. Not learn a whole broad of whatever techniques that are there in Premiere Pro, but just learn that one trick. Then you come back, you use that trick in a video, then you repeat, right? So you're making a video and you're applying whatever you've learned, right? So this thing of forever learning as well. I'm shouting. This thing of forever learning, I think it goes with the resistance, right? When you start to see yourself as a creator, maybe some sort of an artist or whatever, obviously resistance is gonna be there. Maybe the thing will sort of start to feel like a job, or start to feel not as exciting or whatever, and you're not gonna want to do it, right? There's gonna be things that hinder you from doing the thing, right? This thing of forever learning is also some sort of a catalyst in addition to the thing, because now you're seeing all these techniques, all this stuff, all these things that are shown in that channel that you're looking at, and you say, damn, I don't know this stuff, right? And then you sort of stop making for the sake that, oh, okay, I don't know a lot of these things, I'm just gonna dive into it, right? Learning how to do this stuff instead of actually making it. Okay, I think I'm making a point. So if you want to learn filmmaking, I haven't learned filmmaking as well, but I've seen that I've spent most of the time trying to learn the thing instead of doing, and I think that's a not so correct way of doing it if I'm doing it for YouTube. Maybe if I had project, like freelance projects outside of YouTube, maybe I'd like to learn most of the stuff. But as I'm doing YouTube and I'm the person behind everything, it doesn't make sense that I should know everything about Premiere Pro or After Effects or Photoshop for that matter. And it doesn't make sense that I should learn all about those programs, right? There's actually no need. I should learn those things as I need them, right? So if I need a certain technique, I go and learn it and then apply it in a video. and that's a good way to also ensure that you've learned what you've actually grasped what you learned or studied on that YouTube video that you saw that technique. Okay, that's been it. So much. See you on the next episode. Hopefully I make more videos.